What if the oldest pyramids in Africa aren't in Egypt, but deep in the forests of Nigeria? Have you heard about the ancient Nsude Pyramids in Enugu, southeastern Nigeria in West Africa? Long before Egypt built stone wonders, Igbo built sacred pyramids. Igbo oral tradition says the Nsude Pyramids were built at the beginning of time and had been preserved for decades, millenniums even. And here's where it gets interesting. The Nsude Pyramids share the same step design as the earliest Egyptian pyramids. Long before Egypt constructed pyramids with smooth sides, they first built step pyramids, like the Pyramid of Djoser at Saqqara. The earliest Egyptian pyramids were small, experimental, mud brick structures. Could it be that Egyptians were adapting knowledge that came from elsewhere, either via migration or trade routes? This idea isn't as crazy as it sounds. The Dan Baki Pyramid Mound, said to be about 4,500 years old, was discovered in the Sahara in Niger Republic, using clues from Egyptian hieroglyphs. And right beside it, a dilapidated sphinx-like structure in the same pose as Egypt's Great Sphinx. You have to wonder, did the blueprint for the Egyptian pyramids actually begin far earlier and in West Africa?